Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about a very interesting country that we want to start selling in and drop shipping and starting our business from there. That is Spain, because we want to make sure that we can sell the products and to the items to individuals in Spain. How we're going to do it, that is what we're going to look at. And the platform that we're going to choose to start our journey from is Shopify.com, the global commerce platform that you can easily use to build your business, sell online, offline, and everywhere in between. And one of the major reasons why I absolutely love Shopify is the reason because you can discover millions of entrepreneurs that have chosen Shopify to build their businesses. And what that does is it gives us an opportunity to study and understand the successful strategies that they have implemented to scale their business. And once we're able to do that, we can understand what we need to do. And obviously with Shopify, with availability in 170 countries and a 10% of the total US e-commerce and $444 billion of economic activities that has been done, even if we can achieve 0.001% of that, that is going to be enough. And obviously you can bring your vision to life with their simple drag and drop store creator. You don't need any coding expertise at all. And obviously, guys, that literally means that you do not need to hire a team. You don't need to get a front-end developer. You don't need to get a back-end developer. You can focus on scaling your business and keeping your fixed costs as minimum as possible. And you can select from customizable templates that are created by a community of world-class designers. You can even add more features and functionalities to your online stores with the apps that are built by trusted Shopify developers. And more than that, guys, you can sell online, in person, and around the world with the marketing tools and the social integrations and the sales channels that you would need to get your product in front of customers. And one of the major things that I absolutely love about Shopify is the fact that you can back your businesses with the Shop Pay, the one-click checkout that is built to connect, and obviously with a flexible point of sale to power your retail stores, and a point of sale system that allows customers to shop their way from the online to the checkout line. From the first touch to the full funnel, you can get reach new leads, engage with customers, and data that you can build on. And you can find the new shoppers with the SEO and the social media, the content marketing tools that help you reach customers where they are. And more than that, guys, you can build custom email campaigns, set automation to serve every segment, and connect with customers on the go with the integrated messaging tools. You can take control of your customer data to build custom audiences and explore the customer insight and drive ongoing growth. You can oversee your operations and manage your inventory and track payments and view real-time business insights all in one place, so you can focus on building your business. You can get your products where they need to be with the integrated inventory management, streamlined returns, and a dedicated shipping and fulfillment order. You can manage your business's finance all from one place with the money management and flexible funding designs with entrepreneurs in mind. And that is the reason why I always recommend individuals to use Shopify to start their journey. And obviously, if you want to sell in Spain and in Europe, then this is one of the best platforms to use, and the tools and the support and the assistance that you're going to get with Shopify is truly one of a kind. So if you don't have an account, guys, don't worry, click in the description below on the link and get it for 90 days, or just click on the top right hand side corner where it says start free trial and start your free trial. You would need to answer a couple of questions, such as which one of these best describes you. Are you just starting off or already selling online or in person? We're just gonna go with the fact that we're just starting off. The second question, which is very important, is where would you like to sell? You can pick as many as you like, guys, and you can always change them later. It could be an online store, it could be an existing website or a blog, social media, online marketplaces, in person, or you're not sure. We're gonna go with an online store and the social media, because at the end of the day, these are the two platforms that can really scale our businesses. Now, which one of these social channels do you want to sell on? We're gonna go with Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, and there can be so many more. Once you've selected it, just click on next, and then you would need to select the store name. I want to stop over here, guys, just for a second, because this is one of the most important elements in developing a dropshipping business, and this is the first step to a successful journey that you want to go on. So make sure that you spend some time in understanding exactly what kind of name you want to select. Focus on what your competitor is doing and think about what kind of products you'll be selling and in what niche they're going to be. And once you've gone through that, you can always drop the name for consideration for us in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, and guide you. But for this particular video, we're just going to use an example over here and just click on next. Once we've done it, we need to show and talk about and suggest where our business is going to be located, because we're going to be selling in Spain. We're going to go scroll down and we're gonna select Spain. Now obviously, one of the things that you gotta keep in mind when you select Spain is the fact that as you do that, there's gonna be a pop-up that's gonna come up and it's gonna say that it looks like you're not located in Spain. And are you sure you want to create a Shopify store in Spain? And obviously, setting your store in the wrong country may lead to the following issues, such as tax and duty obligations, payment issues, shipping issues, localization, Shopify benefits, and term of services. Now what I'm going to do in this video is show you exactly how you can bypass and fix every one of these problems. So let's go ahead and click on next, and as you do that, you'll be taken to the last step, which is creating a Shopify ID. You can create an ID with your email, with your Apple ID, with your Facebook ID, or with your Gmail ID. Now I always select Google because a Gmail ID is very simple and straightforward to use. So I'm going to select the Gmail account I want to connect my Shopify account to. This is what your dashboard is going to look like, guys. On the left hand side, you're going to have your home, your orders. In your orders, you're going to have your draft and your abandoned checkouts. Now to get orders and accept payments from customers, you would need to select a plan, which is available over here, and you can easily select the plan. The products give you the inventories, the transfers, the collections, and even the gift cards. The customers is where you can add different customers. You can also import customers from other websites where you already starting your business as a dropshipper. So this is the reasons why I absolutely love Shopify, because it gives an opportunity for us to gather the invoices, the information, and the customers that we require on other platforms. And at analytics, you can get your reports and live views as well, and you can look at the total sales, the sessions, the returning customer rate, the conversion rate, the average order value, the sales by traffic source, and the top products of units sold. All the information that you require to set up a strategy that is effective and efficient at the same time. Marketing gives you a complete breakdown of the campaigns and automations that are available. The online store gives you the different themes, the blog posts, the pages, the navigation, and the preferences. Now obviously, for every video, I always mention to all my viewers to go with the free themes that are available on Shopify.com. And once your dropshipping store takes off and you start making money, you can always upgrade to a paid theme, which is available on the theme store. All you need to do is click the visit the theme store and check them out. It is as simple, straightforward, easy as that. You can also integrate your Facebook and Instagram. The tools that you require to scale your business is always available with Shopify. That is the reason why Shopify is one of the best platforms in the industry in today's period and time, guys. You can also select your TikTok and connect it as well with your Shopify. Now once you've done all of that, just head over to settings. In your settings, you can see that you have your plans, your billing, your user and permissions, your payments, your checkouts, your shipping and delivery. The first thing that you need to do is head over to shipping and delivery. Now as you go over there, you'll see that we're connected with the rates in Espanol, that is Spain. And if you scroll down, you can see all the information that's available. The local delivery is in Spain, the local pickup is in Spain. So that information is correct, guys. And obviously the carriers to Shopify is also added in as the correct one. Now once you've done it, you need to head over to taxes and duties. Now this is very crucial, guys. You got to make sure that you select all these elements, such as the charge on the tax on shipping rates, including the shipping rates in the tax calculations, which is automatically calculated for Canada, European Union, where Spain is based, and the United States. You got to charge the VAT as well on the applied digital goods, and that needs to be collected for the European customers. Once you have selected that, just hit save. Once it has been hit save, you need to go to the next and most important part, which is the markets. Once you click on the markets, you'll see that Spain is the primary market that's available. To make sure all the information is correct, just click on manage and see that the product and the prices are in euro, the duties and the import taxes are sorted out. The shipping rate is available and the domain name and the language is also available over here. Now all this information is correct and now you're ready to start selling on Shopify in Spain. If you got any questions guys whatsoever, you can always ask me in the comment section down below and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you and to guide you and assist you. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and family and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.